Really? I love all the lily pads.
You see how much I've driven us, and I'm going perfectly fine.
Yeah, because you gotta get used to the oars in kayaking because they're double-sided.
Yeah, I don't like the double-sided.
This is Brina's first time in a canoe. How's Brina feeling?
Good.
Whoa! They're shaking. It's so cool. I don't know if I can see it. Yeah, you can see the bottom and see all the little fishies. It's so pretty. This is like my favorite place. Spring.
This is the second time here, and it's already your
I see a bird. Right down the tree. Yeah. You pull over if you need to go pee. Go in the woods.
I'll paddle.
I'm looking for gators and turtles. So far, oh, that's not a gator. It's a log. Uh-oh. Right there, see it? On the right, Sean.
I know. You don't have to tell me. I have a good sense of direction.
All right, that's good to know.
But I have a good sense of which side to paddle on.
It's our first canoe trip with all three of us together.
Well,
I see a great birdie. Well, yeah, you've been kayaking, but it's your first time on the canoe.
I don't like kayaking much. There's a bunch of lilies. Secret passage!
Yay! We should go check it out.
On the way back.
I got Brina a lily. Where's your lily?
I see
It's
dragonflies.
very pretty. It's yellow. Oh yeah.
Damaging the environment 101.
Dragonflies are good. They eat mosquitoes. Hmm. Anything that eats mosquitoes is good in my book.
That's what I was gonna say. I was literally about to say anything that eats mosquitoes is good for me.
Yeah, exactly. Oh, we're about to hit a giant stick. Where do you hit one? Oh, this one is high up. Alright, we're looking for a gator, so we gotta be quiet. Ah! Two turtles sunning themselves. Hi, turtles. Oh, they're so pretty.
They're blending in.
I know. No alligators yet. Yeah, I'm still in the same video, 3 minutes in.
Right now, starting off with two turtles. Why does one look bigger than the other? And they don't look like...
There, we just seen it. This is crazy. We're like freaking out right now. It's got its head like popping in and out of the water.
There's a freaking sea snake or whatever it's called.
It's an anaconda.
Do we need to whisper? Can it hear us? It was right over there.
I know, I can't see it anymore. I zoomed in.
Oh, I see it, I see it, I see it.
There it is. Oh my god. Get the hell out of here quick. Where is it? Okay, we need to pedal. That is crazy.
Move a little closer, Mike.
Okay.
There's a bunch of turtles.
There's a giant turtle right there. The baby turtles.
There's a big turtle colony.
Yay.
Turtles over there.
And there's one back there behind the giant tree stump.
Let's go closer so we can...
But I didn't. Smile. Brina, smile. I'm taking a picture of you. There's the anaconda. I'm sure there's more if there's one. There's lots of fishies in the water.
Make sure you don't hit one.
Yeah, they swim away quick. Okay, we're gonna be going right in this passage right here.
Well, at least I'll be trying to.
There's something in there. Oh, I see a giant fish. Right here. See it?
Stationary. There.
There, I see a birdie. It looks like we're stuck now. There it is. Oh, I see its head. That's hiding.
Here, give this to mine.
Boy, there's a tree that fell down. And we just got stuck in the lilies. Oh, there's a blackbird. Haven't seen any gators yet. Still looking.
Seeing a giant snake though.
Oh my god. That
Oh
thing
shoot,
is...
we're getting flooded!
No!
Oh no. We're getting flooded.
They're
There's
freaking
water
us out.
coming into the boat. I'm gonna throw down the water. Pollution. I'm gonna throw down the water. Miss pollution. Can you give me a towel?
Yes. This is Brina's first time using the oar.
Not really. This is like her third time this trip.
Well, I mean, first time she ever did it in general. Let's see if she can move us. Good job. Keep going.
We're stuck on seaweed.
Yeah, we're just a little stuck, but that's okay. Whoa! You measuring the distance to the bottom?
Yeah.
It's pretty shallow though.
Hey, look! It does that reflection. See, Mom?
Yeah, you can see your reflection. Hey, we're moving! Yay! Brina's moving us. Sweet. Good job, Brizinator. Hey, no playing on the phone allowed on the boat. It's a beautiful day. No clouds. Super hot sunshine. We're gonna get a nice suntan today.
Not me.
Woohoo! Well, your face will. Took your sunglasses off. We're still looking for the gators. We've seen lots of turtles, but no gators. And an anaconda, of course. Yeah, how could we forget? We have nightmares about that thing. Yeah. There were two turtles sitting on this log, but we scared them off and they jumped. That's a cool tree that fell down. Oh, a bird. What kind of bird was it? It was brown. Let's see what kind. Brina is paddling still. Yoo-hoo. Hey, look, Brina's getting us out of the seaweed. Sweet. Oh, the turtles will come back.
I love you.
Oh, I love you too.
Help. Help. The oar's going away.
Hold it.
Oh no.
Brina, help him.
Yeah, Brina, you can have the oar.
I see a turtle right there. And there's a big...
Oh.
Ah!
Can you get me a little closer to the picture?
Yeah, here, hold on. Here's a little turtle. He's kind of cute. Look at his paws. He's got his paws up. Do you see that? He's on the edge of the log and his paws are hanging over it. Ooh, there's something down there. There's a giant turtle right there. It's okay, I got it. I'm making a video. There's a lot of turtles right there. There's a little baby one. Here, Sean, you paddle. There's one back here. There's like all kinds of sizes and shapes of turtles right here. Can you paddle? There's a baby turtle right in front of us, a tiny one. There's a black shelled one. There's a huge one right there. They're so still, they look like little statues. One here, two right there. Oh, he jumped in. They're all jumping in the... Oh my goodness, there's more, look. Look out there. There's like 10 more. There. They're like sitting right next to one another. That one's really cute. Where's the orange belly one?
Right there.
I see him. I'm gonna try to zoom in. There's one with orange belly. Look over here. There's 1, 2, 3. He jumped in.
Get me a little closer so I can't see it.
Here's like 3, 1 jumped in. Oops. I want to freak him out. They're so still. They sure love today. It's super sunny for them. Let's see how close we can get before they jump. Oh, they're getting ready to jump. The black shell one is. They're not afraid of the whistle. Oh, 1 jumped in. 2. Last one, jump in.
Just like I'm a rebel, I'm gonna stay.
He's pet.
Hey, dude!
He's sleeping. He won't jump. There's a giant snake under the water. We're about to hit it. He doesn't want to jump in. He's not a scaredy cat.
Go. Mom, can I throw half
There's one more.
in the water?
A what?
Can I throw half my Cheeto in the water?
Sure. Wait, we're gonna get stuck here. Sean, don't pedal. Wait. This guy's the only one that's not afraid of us.
I don't even need to zoom in for a picture.
I know, he's just sitting there.
He just like, forget these humans are not interrupting my sunbathing.
I know, he's like, I'm not leaving. They're not gonna hurt me. He's got his paws hanging. It's so cute.
Let's try to touch him.
Oh, there he goes. Look, he's about to go. Yay.
He's just like, I've spent enough time. I'm gonna find another spot.
This is where we seen the anaconda. Don't see it.
Hey, anaconda!
Come out, wherever you are.
We want to videotape you and expose you in public.
This is where it went. Down that way into the secret passage. I hear something.
That's me. I did a whistle.
Well, it went from here this way, so it could be on this island. It could live on this island here.
What's this get out?
And again.
What? Get out here.
Maybe it'll come for whistle. Ah, we're about to hit the side here. Ah. Turtle, jump in. He won't jump in.
Where is he?
Right there.